Happy Wednesday everyone! Miyerkules ng hapon po sa kauna-unahan at kaisa-isang pang-araw-araw na produksyon para sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Los Angeles. My name is Janelle So, your kababayan here in Los Angeles, and today on the show we're gonna meet the winners of the Queen Lola pageant. You know, we've been covering them. We cover them from start to finish, all the screenings. We've interviewed the candidates before they went on stage sa pageant night in Glendale, and of course we've been as much a part of their journey. And that is why we have the winners today on the show. Congratulations to the first ever Queen Lola. Bernie Gannon, hello and welcome to Kababayan LA.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Yes, and first runner-up, Linda Neri, hello to you.
Hello.
Tell us about your experiences. I was there because I co-anchored the event, and congratulations to Insider Productions, Mildred, Attorney Jojo Reyes for a very successful event, no? What was your experience like? Umpisa natin kay Queen Lola.
Yeah, after the event, actually during the event when I was announced as the winner, my friends talagang pumunta po sila sa stage and hindi nila napigilan ang sarili nila na mag-congratulate. And the following day, I got so many calls sa Facebook, sa lahat, and congratulating me. So I was really very happy at that time, and I really I don't expect that I will be the Queen Lola, the first Queen Lola. Sabi ko nga, this is the time na ma-enjoy mo ang sarili mo for all the sacrifices and the hard work for the family. At least this event give us time to enjoy ourselves.
Right.
Para naman yung ma-realize mo that you are also a person.
Because Linda, you felt like a star, right? All the candidates, yung mga, you did a music video, people were taking pictures with you.
Yes.
Yeah.
I didn't regret joining. Yeah, because a lot of people are also calling me. In fact, I was filming with one of the director of Regal, and yes, and I had the dialogue, a small dialogue, and I'm so happy.
Paano binago ng Queen Lola ang buhay mo?
Masyado kaming busy ngayon. Ang daming invitasyon.
Aba!
Mayak-maya. Merong mga event na iniimbita kami.
Yeah.
And syempre ngayon may mga corona at scepter. The crowns and the scepters were given by Monet Lu, correct?
Yes,
of Monet Salon and
Yes.
Reflection Salon. Anong balak niyong gawin dyan sa mga corona na yan? Sa mga public appearances ba, palaging kailangan suot-suot?
Depende sa request nila. Sometimes hindi naman. But I'm looking forward to going home to the Philippines because it is our town fiesta in Irosin, Sorsogon. So ini-invite nila kami doon to be there, to be part of the celebration. And they're also very happy and proud na I am from there.
Ang trip to the Philippines ay kasama dun sa Grand Prize, sa Grand Prize.
Yes.
And it also includes a cameo role sa isang movie. Handa ka na bang maging artista?
Aywan ko nga lang ba? But anyway, sa ating buhay, talagang artista naman tayo. And facing our mga apos, nagiging artista ka sa kanila. Diba? Minsan, nag-aarte-artista ka sa kanila para lang sila mapatulog o mapakain. So, actually, in our life, we are natural-born artista.
Napakaganda naman ang sagot. Pang Q&A ng Queen Lola. Linda, how nervous were you? Nung, diba? Kasi top 5 finalists, and then after the 5, may ranking na kayo.
I was so nervous at that time because I really thank God for easing the pain that I felt that night because I had an attack of my gout.
Nagka-gout, no?
So I wanted to back out that time, but sabi ko the show must go on.
Right,
Whether may pain ako or hindi, it's okay.
What did you learn from this experience?
Well, I learned a lot. I met these wonderful people, the candidates, and also they're so nice. And I've met a lot of people also.
So mga friends forever, di ba? Ayan. Bernie, you know, this success is, I think, something that you also share with your husband because ikaw yung Queen Lola candidate, pero pati siya nag-leave sa trabaho, uma-attend ng mga rehearsals. And bakit?
I think that is one thing with us. Sabi nga, sa hirap at ginhawa, magkasama tayo.
Ang swerte mo naman sa asawa, napakabait.
Yes, napakabait. Minsan siya pang nag-aayos sa akin kung ano ang dapat gawin. Siya nag-touch ng aking ayos.
Oo, tapos siya pang nagbibitbit ng mga
gamit.
Okay, kung yung asawa mo nanonood ngayon sa TV, alam ko nasa backstage siya, what would you tell him? Anong message mo for your husband?
You know what? I'm not the queen. Ikaw ang hari ng aking buhay. And this will be as long as I live. You will be always my king, the king of my heart and my life.
Napaka-touching naman. Congratulations again, Queen Lola, first ever Bernie Gannon, and first runner-up Linda Neri. And we have more Queen Lolas when we return on the show. Don't go away.